Come with me and let's check out together a stunning cottage on the Isle of Skye. The Blacksmith Cottage. A huge house. 62 euros per night. That's 67 US dollars or 52 pounds.
Wow!
How is that cheap price possible? Everything in this video. So to travel to the Isle of Skye, you take the Skye Bridge. The Blacksmith Cottage is very near to the main town on Skye, Portree. As we arrived at the cottage, we could not wait to get in and check it out. It is a big house with 5 bedrooms and perfect for a family or a travel group. So they left the key in the lockbox for us.
The lockbox thing.
The first impression was very good. I headed upstairs to find my bedroom.
Wow! 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 Wow!
Right now in 2025 I checked the prices again, and if you only use 3 bedrooms, it is just about 1,111 euros for 3 nights. So if you split that up to 6 people, a family or a small travel group, each person just pays 62 euros per night. That's 67 US dollars or 52 pounds. It felt very cozy inside the cottage, and of course I will show you the window view.
Bathroom. Hello. Very good.
And I also checked out all the other rooms on the first floor. Everything looked clean, nice and tidy. Let's check out downstairs where the living room is located.
Mit Kaminfeuer.
You also find nice rooms there. The rooms have their own toilets and bathrooms. And of course, the cottage got a nice kitchen where I prepared my breakfast. The cottage is perfectly located to explore the entire island. On this morning we chose the epic Cottage. Good morning from our cottage here on the Isle of Skye, and look at that. What a stunning weather this morning. I can't believe it. It's like sunshine every day here in Scotland for us, so we got very lucky. So we jumped into the car and checked out the amazing scenery on the way to the Cottage. The nature on Skye is stunning, and you also find the classic Scottish animals. And that's it up there, the Cottage Needle. And as you can see, it's super steep. There's already someone climbing up there. And I guess some of us gonna try. We're not trying, we're just doing it. So, see you up there. It was quite an experience up there and looked like a different planet. After checking out the 40 meters high Cottage Needle, we headed back to our cottage. If you book the cottage, other recommendations to check out on Skye are the Ferry Glen and also the Kildrock waterfall. Until next time here on the Scotland and Bagpipes channel with the series Stay Here in Scotland.